This is my FJ Cruiser, and although it may not look like much to you, it has been everything to me. We have been on many adventures together. Oh yeah, that's me. Well, a young me. But it all started back in December of 2007 when me and my dad finally picked up this custom 2008 four-wheel drive Voodoo Blue Beauty. My dad got a kick out of this sign in the background. This was the greatest college graduation, Christmas, birthday, and every other holiday present for a few years ever. So, in 16-ish years, and being the only and original owner, let's take a look at all of the mods and accessories that I've added to this off-roading adventure machine.
Wait, hold on. That's my son's FJ. All right, so I know what you're thinking. We've only done about a handful of mods so far, and even some of those modifications are going to need some modification. But let me show you where we are right now. So on the exterior, we have this front bull bar with a light bar. No, those aren't amber lenses. Those are just faded over time LEDs. And even some of those are burnt out. Also, the bull bar is rusting out and dripping nasty rust all in the driveway. But hey, it was free. Some Raptor-ish style lights. Ooh, so tough. Some HID bulbs. Well, I think they're HID. All I know is they just blind everybody on the road. A black hood trim piece because the original one's paint was actually chipping and fading. Does that sound familiar up there? A stubby antenna, OEM black mirrors and black handles that we got from 1A Auto, and changed out the lighting for amber bulbs. Powder coated black factory wheels wrapped in the Toyo Open Countries. Front and rear ceramic brake pad and rotor kit from 1A Auto, and I installed those myself. A curved LED light bar mounted to these FJ brackets, and I think I got both of those from Amazon. Don't hate. The Front Runner Slimline 2 roof rack. I know it's pretty legit. It's probably the best mod that I actually have. So coming inside, probably the biggest upgrade we did was had the old head unit replaced for this Kenwood one. The old head unit started glitching a little bit, and I had a couple speakers blown out. So we replaced most of the speakers in the car, and this one has Apple CarPlay, and I've enjoyed it a lot so far. Now I don't know what I'm going to do with all of these. It also came with a backup camera, which I'm going to be changing the location of this a little bit later. We got some custom rear racing seats. I also made this little custom shelf, and it's just made out of some plywood. So that way I can fit these two really big plastic bins or nesting boxes underneath there, and it just kind of acts as a way to store some stuff. Eventually I'm looking to maybe change this up a little bit, but for now it works pretty well. And this thing is pretty cool. So let's check out under the hood of what we got going on. Yeah, just a dirty engine. That is all stock. Also, some issues that we got going on is my wiring is kind of busted for the light bars. Neither one of them are working right now because we had some battery issues, so they're not connected. This is definitely going to be one of the first videos we do of rewiring all of this kind of stuff and tidying up the electrical wiring, and I'm going to be making a little auxiliary fuse panel to go kind of just attach on the top of this. That way we can kind of clean up all this and actually make my light bar functional. Wait, I actually lied. I do have something that I modded under here. I got some brand new hood struts because the other ones like blew out and I can't even open my hood up. So those are new. Those are a modification under the hood. And yeah, that's it for now. The purpose of this channel is going to be rigging this FJ for my adventure, and we're going to be doing it one mod at a time. And boy, are there a lot of mods that we need to do. There's wiring, there's restoring the trim, There's fixing that clear code. Then just the list goes on and on and on. And of course, probably detailing. I didn't know if you saw how dirty that car was. But here's where I need your help. I am no automotive expert, and even though I've watched a couple YouTube videos and read a few forum posts, I'm still gonna need some help in all things FJ and just automotive in general. And of course, we're gonna modify Henry's rig too. Right, buddy? So if that sounds like a trail that you wanna wheel, hop in and let's go for a ride. No, that was kind of cheesy.